All right, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. It's another one of them taste test times. And today's taste test is going to be some cereal that I found. It's one of my favorite cereals. And it is Captain Crunch Birthday Crunch. The 60th birthday of Captain Crunch with a birthday cake flavor. Wow. They talk about 60 years of crunch. Ooh, it's a bouncy boat party. Huh, how about that? All right, let's go ahead and get this started. What is this on the back? Find 5 rings to fling on Smedley Snap. What the heck? What? Oh, they got jokes on here? Wait a second. Hold on. How do I find out the answers to these jokes? Like I said, what did the pirate say on his 80th birthday? Oh, what did the pirate say on his 80th birthday? Oh, answers. Aye, matey. I'll be having some dad jokes. But come on now, really? Let's see. Why didn't the captain have his party at the library? It was booked. Well, that's kind of funny. What did Smelly ask for on his birthday? A trunk full of gifts. So in case y'all didn't know, that's Smelly right there. You see, he's an elephant. You got a trunk. See, get it now? All right. Let's see. What's number 4? No, that was number 3. No, this is number 4. What does a clam do on its birthday? It celebrates. You get it? Clam, shell, celebrate. Why didn't a pony sing happy birthday? It was a little horse. Horse. Get it? That's actually pretty funny. What is Sea Dog's favorite kind of party? A ball. Because Sea Dog is a dog and dogs like balls. Well, like rubber balls, stuff like that. What kind of music is scary for balloons? Who knew that music was scary for balloons? And the answer is pop music. Alright. What did the ocean say on the captain's birthday? Nothing, because oceans can't talk. Alright, so there is. Oh. Wait, let's say it says nothing. It just wanted. Huh? Oh. I messed that joke up. Let's start that joke over. Okay. What did the ocean say on the captain's birthday? Nothing. It just waved. Alright. Let's go ahead and get this started. Because we're already 4 minutes into this video. Whew. Alright. We're going to pop this bad boy open. And we're going to smell it. See if it smells like his birthday cake. Scented. I don't know. Can't really tell if his birthday cake scented or not. It smells kind of fruity like a cereal though. I see all those colors. Got some yellows, some pinks, some purples, some blues. And y'all already know. You already know that I gotta have my chocolate milk. That whole chocolate milk with my cereal. Alright. Give it the old Blake Smith test. Smells like chocolate milk. All right. Let me pour that in the bowl. And this reminds me of the Captain Crunch all berry cereal because it's nothing but berries. All right. Got my big cereal spoon here. And here we go. Oh. All right. I get no birthday cake flavor. I don't know. I mean, because it's Captain Crunch is good, but I don't get a birthday cake flavor. All right. Well, with that, we're going to give this cereal a 3/4 thumbs up because I don't get the birthday cake flavor. Even though Captain Crunch is my favorite, but, well, we'll say Captain Crunch Crunch Berries is my favorite with the all berries brand. So, with that, if you guys like this video, with all those jokes, go ahead and give it a thumbs up on the YouTube and TikTok. And go ahead and subscribe and follow on the YouTube and TikTok. And then go ahead and hit that notification bell on the YouTube so you can get notified of all the videos I'm putting out there. And you might even get some more jokes. All right. And then go ahead and share this with your friends and family. Have a good time doing that. And then go ahead and leave us a comment. See what else we might be out there trying. Because you never know what I might try. All right, y'all. Y'all know what to do. See y'all later on. Bye-bye.